Hey guys, this is Mopar Wholesale Parts here, and what we have here are 4 different exhaust tips. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the stock exhaust tip that comes on the Ram 1500s. It's got the clamp here, and the diameter of the pipe is 2.5 inches. Versus right here to the right of the exhaust, we got your Mopar accessory exhaust tips, which if you want to upgrade to a bigger tip, you can. These are the 5-inch ones. We got them in chrome and the black chrome, and you also have your Mopar M logo on it. Pretty neat. And the diameter is the same as the stock pipe. What's cool about these is these are the Mopar accessory ones. So if you buy the black chrome, you get a set of 2. If you get the chrome one, you get a set of 2. These also come with the clamps, which are here, and a set of instruction sheets, which is this one here. The one on the right is the TRX exhaust tip. And not only is it a 5-inch tip like the accessory ones that you can upgrade to, the diameter of this one is a tad bit bigger. It's 3.25, and you got your clamp on there as well. This one comes in a matte black only. So if you want to upgrade your truck with, newer tips, you can give it that sporty look, of course. So even though the pipes aren't the same size, I mean, you can still get the 5-inch tip that the TRX comes with, which is pretty cool. I will have all these tailpipe numbers listed in the link below. The difference between the stock pipe and the TRX ones that come from factory, you only get a set of 1. Or same with the TRX, you only get 1. But these are the Mopar accessory ones, and you get a set of 2. 2 chrome, or if you order the black chrome, you get 2 of those. But if you guys have any questions, please feel free to message and comment below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on our Instagram page at Mopar Wholesale Parts. Thanks for watching.